What if I told you that instead of just dreaming about adventures, you could be living them? That's the promise of the Yamaha Super Tenere. So, you're eyeing the Yamaha Super Tenere, huh? Well, strap in because we're diving into what makes this beast tick. First up, the engine. Robust, reliable, and ready to rumble. It's like the heart of a lion in the body of a bike. And the suspension? Smoother than a buttered up diplomat. I remember this one time I was riding through the Rockies. The terrain was rougher than my hands moved, but the Tenere handled it like a champ. Now, let's talk tech. With traction control and ABS, this bike's smarter than my last smartphone. Comfort, more legroom than economy class. And the seat, oh, it's like sitting on gold. The clouds are made of tough, adventure-ready leather. So, is the Yamaha Super Tenere worth your hard-earned cash? If you're looking for a bike that says do your adventure, it's a resounding yes.